Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location of your events or appointments on Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Calendly and maybe you want to start having some of your appointments take place on Google Meets and maybe you want to start having some of your appointments take place on Zoom. Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is log onto your Calendly account, which looks like this here, and then click on the event in which you want to change the location of the meeting for. So we're just going to click on this one-off meeting event. Next, you want to click on event details, which is on this left-hand side. And then from here, you want to click on edit, which is located under location. So go ahead and click on edit. Now you're going to see all the conference locations in which your meetings can take place on. So if you click on this toggle button, you can see that it can take place on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting. So this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit the location of your meetings or events on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.